Oh wow, what's up, people? Dude, I was getting ready to be so pissed off today because I get notifications when shit's coming. So I'm like, I know what this is, but when I saw the box, it was like the box was huge. I was like, what the fuck? Because I know what this is. This is my working edition. See if I can get to this shit. Go ahead and cut through all the red tape. Oh man, yeah, it's hard because you gotta hold the phone in one hand and you gotta unbox with the other. And then there we go. Get out of here, man. It's in there somewhere. We're about to figure it out. Come on, man. I'm gonna have to use feet in this motherfucker, man. There we go. There it is. There we have it. There we have it. Fuck. Get thee behind me, Satan. Joking. There it is. My working Qutub. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, buddy. Here we go. We're about to get back on track. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is where we are. This is where we are. He that leadeth this procession doth wear the guise of God and beast, as the ox goad and the oxen. Who leadeth most doth guide the least. Who leadeth most doth guide the least. Seekest thou for light or darkness? Seekest thou for truth or lies? When either serve, where thou shalt feast. Okay, here we. Now I can get to work. Now I can get to work, buddy. Now we're getting to work. Now we're getting to work. Working edition. Working edition. Working edition, buddy. Love you, Zonon. That's Zonon, right? Yep. So, not to be confused with my signed edition, which is right here. Oh no! Somebody keep them apart. They're going to start fighting. They're going to start fighting for supremacy. We can't have that around here, buddy. It's not going to happen, Mr. Chumley. I'm not going to have that nonsense going on. But no, seriously. And now I can get to some serious work. I got so many fucking irons in the fire right now. It's not even funny, man. Lord Jesus Christ. It's like, it's weird because it's like the more shit I get, the more shit I order. It's almost a curse. Who knows? Point. Get to the point.